Enough is enough. That's the message coming out of Ankara. Turkey has finally drawn a red line for Israel. Their Foreign Minister, Hakan Fidan, standing right next to Syria's top diplomat, Asaad al-Shaibani, didn't mince his words. He said that Israel is playing a very dangerous game in Syria, a country that has already been shattered by more than a decade of war. Think about it. Millions displaced, cities in ruins, and an economy that is free fall. And yet, instead of letting Syria rebuild, new fires are being lit. Fidan accused Israel of working hand in hand with Kurdish militants, group that Turkey sees as a major security threat. Ankara believes that these forces are carving out zones of influence in Syria's north, while Israel keeps on targeting Syria's military and their infrastructure. But yes, here's the bigger picture. If Syria stays weak, then the entire Middle East stays unstable, which some argue that serves Israel's strategic interests. Now, Turkey says that it has had enough of watching from the sidelines. Fidan warned that peace in the region cannot be built by tearing neighbors apart. Well, he wants Syria's reconstruction, economic recovery, and their political stability. But yes, here's the warning that if these provocations continue, the region could actually see another wave of chaos. Remember, Turkey and Syria were bitter rivals not too long ago. But now, the two are finding common grounds. You know what's the reason behind that? Because when foreign powers intervene in your backyards, suddenly your former enemy looks like a friend. So the question is, will Ankara stick to diplomacy, or we will be looking at a possibility of Turkey taking direct military action to push back against what it calls Israeli loyalists inside Syria? Now, if that happens, the already volatile Middle East could actually face another storm.